Good morning, it is Sunday and we are going to vlog today as well as yesterday. I just still need to edit yesterday's video and put it up, to be fair. We are just packing for the first time in a while because we are leaving on a bus to go to Wakachina tonight, but we're going to go get breakfast at Jack's Cafe for the fourth time for me. And then me and Hannah have got a massage booked in, and then we're just going to chill, and we leave at like 5:50 or something like that. Yeah, it's quite nice to feel like all of my belongings are in order again, because they've just been like on the floor of this hostel for so long. No more wild rovers as well. This is the last wild rover. Yeah, let's go. I swear Cusco always has like the most random things going on. Like, it's Sunday today, but it's just packed everywhere. Like, I don't know if you can see. I'll record again when I get a bit closer. But the square is just jammed. I don't know what for.
Jóvenes que defenderán la gastronomía peruana, demostrarán que nuestra comida riquísima de los Andes, del Cusco HERO,
It's weird seeing like the army or whatever with guns. Back at it again with food. So I'm just in Andina's spa. Hannah's getting loads of things waxed and I'm getting a massage, so I'm so excited. It was honestly one of the best massages I've ever got. I got the Inca Healing one. She used cocoa cream and you probably can't hear me over any of this, but I've just left the massage place. Hannah, I messaged Hannah and she's getting like everything waxed and then a pedicure. She says it's the worst thing ever. She's got two ladies waxing her, going over and over the same spot. So we'll ask her how it is when she finishes. But I just went to a pharmacy to get some, God, I'm out of breath, to get some cough sweets. And I found the best ones ever. They're antiseptic ones, and so they numb your throat, which is great. So I just got heaps of them and stocked up because they're amazing. I'm just going to get some money out and then go back to the hostel and chill, to be honest, until we leave. Our bus is at 6. I think I'm going to a carnival.
loves getting called Wolf. She fucking loves it.
Was that recorded?
Tamara, what do you think of that?
You do though, Mum, don't you? You love it.
Okay, well, we're waiting at Peru Hop station. We're about to get on our bus. It's all night and all day. So we arrived, it's like 7 p.m. right now, and we arrive in Wakachina at 6:45 tomorrow evening, which is exciting.
It's
So a whole night and a whole day. It's a whole 24 hours on the bus, which is thrilling. Lots of snacks, ready to go. How you feeling?
Spiffing. Absolutely fucking spiffing.
Sing us a song.
No, what was the other one?
I don't know.
Ooh, baby, I love the way.
What was the other one? Ooh, baby, do you know that? Ooh, heaven is a place. And dance.